the mission that I want to achieve with health and at the same time with wealth. Kaya nga kanina tinanong ko, di ba, are we excited to be healthy? Are we excited to be wealthy? Because Sun Life Grandma is supporting that mission, di ba? And what better way to a company na hindi lang yung pagpapayaman ng bulsa yung ginagawa, but at the same time, taking care of your health. And we all know that in the Philippines, in our country, Filipinos it's a continuous struggle. It's a continuous side note in our head na, okay, it's always being said na we are one poverty away from hospitalization. We are one hospitalization away from poverty, rather. There. So, sabi ko, okay, Sun Life Grandpa, game na game.
Game na game talaga. Palakpakan naman natin, Mr. Edgerly. And tama yun, no? Especially with the high healthcare costs. Recently, di ba? In the last few years, I totally agree with that. And definitely, you are the perfect embodiment of our newest campaign because he's fit, he's healthy, but most importantly, he is prepared for the different life circumstances. Now, this next question goes out to Mr. Richard Lim. Sir, why did you tap Enchong D to be Sun Life Grandpa's ambassador?
Bakit nga ba?
Oo.
Enchong was a natural choice, because he is a man we know who is living an active life, lifestyle, staying disciplined all throughout, and just really making those intentional choices about his health. So, yeah, he is our brand ambassador, and he is someone who lives our message of healthy, informed, and protected.
He doesn't only preach it, he actually lives this campaign, this advocacy, and he is the perfect embodiment of it. Now, this one goes out for our both gentlemen here. How do you protect your health, and what particular experience in life compelled you to protect your health in so many ways, from living healthy to getting a health insurance product? So, and John, let's start with you.
This one is really funny because my stylist here is also our stylist from It's Okay to Not Be Okay. If you get to watch the series, one of the scenes there wherein yung nasa National Museum kami, the day before that, I got hospitalized. I brought myself to the ER because apparently the night before with my dinner with my family, it's a Sunday, I ate yung hilaw na pampano na hindi ko alam na hindi pala. Actually, my mom was like, gusto mo ipaluto pa natin, anak? She was like, and then sabi ko, hindi okay na yan, makain ng tiyan ko yan. And then only to realize that after a few hours, nag-start na yung inflammation sa mukha ko, and then I had to bring myself to the hospital. And then I was just there for 3 hours kasi sabi ko, okay, I need to leave the hospital as soon as possible because 7 a.m. yung call time ko sa set. And we don't have any other schedule because I'm transferring to another set after that day. And then I was just there for 3 hours. And then yung bill ko parang 40,000 for 3 hours. Tapos, di ba parang, I mean, of course, we do everything for our health. Kahit ano pang emergency yan, di ba? We really pay for that. And then sabi ko, okay na yan, para naman sa kalusugan yan, para naman sa kaligtasan ko. And then, the weekend after, I talked to my mom, sabi niya, anak, send mo sa akin yung resibo kasi pwede natin maklaim yan sa health insurance. Sabi ko, ganun pala yung feeling na, okay, hindi mo kailangan gastusin yung pera mo ngayon. Yung binaon mo, yung pinotektahan mo from the past, nagagamit mo na siya ngayon. Yung parang worries mo for that particular day, nawawala because you protected yourself ahead of time. So sabi ko, okay, I need to keep telling people to get their health insurance because kailangan natin to lahat.
That's right. Alam mo, tama yun, no? Enchong, sabi nga kanina ni Mr. Richard Lim, prevention is always better than cure. Kasi marami sa atin, especially you, di ba? Ikaw, super healthy ka, but then, hindi naman natin nene-expect.
Ano mo sasabi?
Oo, yung pagkain na kinain natin, kala natin safe yun. Di ba? Those are some of the lifestyle, lalo na yung mga matatakaw dyan, pagdating sa mga celebrations and occasions, di ba? So that's a very good example. And thank you so much for sharing to us. And John, how about you, Mr. Richard Lim?
Wow, parang testo na. How do you protect your health? Well, I do what I preach. Really, meaning I practice healthy living. I do exercise, walking a lot, about 15 to 20 k as much as possible every day. I also eat, but I eat moderately at times, or probably mga times na hindi. I also listen to and watch a lot of or attend health.
That I was thinking a few days ago, sabi ko, pag komportable yung buhay natin, kapag nasa comfortable era tayo ng buhay natin, walang sakit, may trabaho tayo, nakakapagbakasyon tayo, I think that's the perfect time to somehow control your grip when it comes to money. But at the same time, kapag dumating naman yung uncomfortable time natin, kapag medyo mahirap yung panahon, may war, may ang laki ng inflation, we loosen that grip sa money. What I'm trying to say is, let's protect ourselves. May it be health, may it be our financial health, may it be our spiritual health, may it be our intellectual, our mental health. Kailangan protektahan natin yung sarili natin bago pa dumating yung sakuna, bago pa dumating yung paghihirap. We have to protect ourselves early on, ahead of time. And then pasasalamatan mo na lang yung sarili mo dahil kapag dumating yung panahon na yun, and I'm telling you, lahat tayo pagdadaanan natin yun. It's all, life is always a cycle. Pagdadaanan natin yun, at least meron tayong panghahawakan, meron tayong masasandalan, at meron tayong mapupuntahan.
That is very beautiful. Thank you so much, John. Hindi tayo si Superman, di ba? We're only humans, and we can't really get rid of all of it. Hindi natin na-expect yung mga life circumstances. So thank you so much, John. Mr. Richard Lim, yes?
Our message is pretty simple. We want people to take care of your health before the illness comes in or before the crisis forces you to do something. I've seen and experienced recently, just in the last 2 months, I've attended two funerals already, and these are very young people, early 30s, early 40s, and the causes are really preventable, and that's why I think it's important to understand that the real danger here is not just the disease. The real danger is delay. So don't delay checkups, don't ignore the symptoms. Let's be more proactive in maintaining a healthy lifestyle so that we can stay healthy, informed, and protected.
Thank you so much, Mr. Anton Lee, and of course, Mr. Richard Lim. How about a big round of applause? Now, we still have so many questions for you, and I'm sure our members of the media would also like to share them later on. But before that, we would like to invite each and every single one of you to please direct your attention towards the screen.
A short film that does tennis. Wala naman ako kaalam-alam sa tennis, but I know that I will sweat while preparing for the role, while doing that, while filming that particular project. So anything that makes me major technical and raises my heart rate, I'm all for it. And if you notice, I'm celebrating my 20th year in the industry. But you never see me like go up, down with my weight. Because ang importante lang sa akin, I move more than I eat, and then I'm more devoted to food that came from the earth. If it's from a plastic or is medyo hindi ako, it's not something I crave for. Natural na siya sa akin. Only because my background was for becoming an athlete at an early age. So parang yung nutrition, alam ko na kung ano yung makakabuti sa akin at hindi. So parang ano siya, it's a lifestyle choice. It's a decision you have to make every day. And thank God I was doing the right thing. Kasi damay-damay lahat. Hindi ka masyado nakakasakit. So mayaman ka dahil hindi ka rin gumagasa sa hospitalization. Hindi ka masyadong junk food. So hindi ka rin masyadong gumagastos. Tapos parang it really goes hand in hand yung wealth at yung health. So mas naiintindihan ko siya yung health is.
Do you drink or smoke? No, I really want to. Sinasabi ko na sa mga kaibigan ko, sabi ko, like, that's the reason also why I don't go out because I don't enjoy drink. I don't smoke. So parang I feel I'm out of place all the time when I go out. Pero I know at the same time, kasi naniniwala ako dun sa apat na health, form ng health. May physical health, kasama na dyan yung mental health, mayroong financial health, may spiritual health, and at the same time, yung social circle, it has to be healthy also. So, I'm glad na hindi naman nagsasuffer yung social health ko just because I don't smoke or I don't smoke.
Okay, last question. Sa checking your Instagram, parang nag-enjoy traveling.
Oo, kasi hindi ko ako hindi ko ako shopping.
Okay.
So, doon na lang sa travel na lang.
So how would you relate dito sa campaign ng Sun Life being stay healthy, informed, and protected?
Because traveling is one of the things that you spend for, but you gain more from it. I think when you travel, you understand more of the city that you visit, so that helps you know more. And apparently, based on magiging scientific na tayo dito, based on like particular studies, scientific studies, they're saying that once you change your environment once in a while, it's really good for your total.
Thank you and congratulations.
Thank you very much. Now, do we have any other question? Okay, yes we do.
Actually, for Sir Richard. Sir Richard, can you tell us more